Hey everyone, so I thought I would hop on and try a new lip gloss from senegence. It's the lip gloss Aries. I don't know if you know, but senegence is doing each month the zodiac signs, like 3 of them, or 2 of them are sold out, Capricorn and I can't think of the other name. I will put it at the end of the video. Capricorn, and it's like a pink one, and then they have Pisces, and then now they have Aries. I'm not really into the zodiac signs, but when I saw this being applied by a senegence distributor, I was amazed. So senegence is known for lip scents, but we also do makeup, skincare, and hair care. And if you're not really into the lip scents color and you're more into the glass, this is perfect for you. I think this one was $20. Has not been open. It's sealed. I'm going to hop off camera, take a picture, and come back and open it with you guys. Okay, so I took a picture off camera, and February 1 is Aquarius. It's very pretty, but it is sold out. And then there's Pisces and Aries. So if you're into that, I will put a link down below that you can shop this one or any lip gloss. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to another page where it'll say my distributor's name at the top. That's totally fine. You scroll down to shop now. It comes up with all these bubbles on the third page. You click lips. There is tons of lip glosses in there. If you have a hard time choosing, please let me know. I can help you. Once you got everything in your cart and you go to checkout, right before you go to checkout, you click the button, preferred kiss and tell customer. Click that, you get 10% off all your purchases all year round. If you spend $100, you get free shipping, samples, products. Spend $150, you get a free gift, your products, samples, and we don't know what that free gift is. So, and it helps me out by you clicking that little button, because that means I get credit, and that's how I bring products to you guys. So it's a win-win, because it's long-lasting makeup and skincare in the makeup. So there was one other thing. Oh yeah, so all of our lip glosses, lip scents, lip glosses can go over top of your lip scents, but you have to use the gloss first and blot off, or you can just wear it by itself. Our lip scents, lip glosses are better than any store-bought drugstore lip glosses around, because they don't have wax in them, which can do something to your lips. I think dry them out. Not positive on it, but our lip glosses have shea butter and vitamin E in them, so it's going to hydrate your lips and keep them moisturized throughout the day. Now, it's not going to last as long as lip scents would, but okay, here I go. It is unopened. Hop off here real quick. Okay, sorry, it is sealed. I wanted to get a little picture so I could do a reel. If you don't follow me over on Instagram, you should, because I do so much more on Instagram than I do here during the week. And you can, if you have any questions, you can directly message me there. There's a link in my YouTube about page, or it's on like the right hand where of my YouTube page. So I'm gonna open it. Did a little. So this is what it looks like. Hold that thought. Sorry, I keep going back and forth, but I wanted to get a little picture video. So this is what it looks like when you open it. We also have mini glosses. So there's nothing on my lips. Here we go. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I am so glad I did this on camera. It's kind of smeared. It is bright, but if you want to tone it down, which I'm going to do this in another video using this, you can use glossy gloss, I have heard, to tone down your lip gloss. Okay? That is super, super bright. So that's what it looks like where I'm at. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what it looks like in more natural lighting. Okay, so I'm in more natural lighting. It's very pigmented lip gloss, which I love. I could have done a little bit better, but practice makes perfect. This shade is perfect for spring and summer, and if you're on the go like me a lot lately, this is perfect for you. So I really like it with my look today. It's kind of like a smoky, bold look. But I'm so glad I did this on camera, and I actually swatched the color for you guys so that you can see it. So yeah, so please like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell before you leave so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. And don't forget to hit to check that box, preferred kiss and tell customer, so you can get 10% off all your purchases all year round. That's including if senegence has a surprise sale on lip scents or lip gloss or shadow scents, you would get an extra 10% off. So it's a win-win for both of us. So make sure you click that button, and thanks for watching.